The China-donated seawater desalination plant will resolve water shortage in Gwodarr district of Pakistan's southwestern Baloochistan province, which has been the biggest problem in the area for many years, Pakistani Prime Minister Anwar has said. The water shortage has been the largest hurdle in the development of Gwodarr district, the Prime Minister said on Monday, while addressing the inauguration ceremony of the China-aided desalination project and upgrade of the Pak-China Friendship Hospital in Gwodarr.
मैं जानता हूं कि पिछले कई सालों से ये कितना गंभीर मसला था और इसके इर्द-गिर्द जो मसाइल जुड़े हुए थे और बिलाखिर आज यहाँ हम खड़े हैं और इस डिसैलिनेशन प्लांट की बरकत से कम एक बहुत बड़ा जो पानी के पीने का मसला है वो किसी हद तक इस एक प्रोजेक्ट से हल हो जाए.
The desalination plant will provide 5,000 tons per day of potable water. Additionally, the China-donated Pak-China Friendship Hospital has been upgraded from having 50 beds to 150 beds with necessary medical equipment, while the hospital has emergency department, outpatient department, inpatient department, medical technology department, and administration and supporting system.